All right, here we go. Friday, July 12th. The market is over. It's been over about 2 hours here. Some great volatility moves. SOXL, incredible volatility today with a lot of tech and a lot of stocks in general and semiconductors. So let's take a look what happened today on this. Of course, the big move down yesterday, this, peaked at 70. And look at this big move down. Then it found the bottom pretty much here at about 61.12. Sort of formed that sideways move you can see here. Pre-market had to move 62, went down to the 61.50 line. Right here was economic news, price producer news. That was 8:30. Well, this is the 3 minute. Let me put the 5 minutes. So it was 8:35. That comes out a lot. You'll see economic news about 8:35-ish. That's when they pull it out. So you put a big dip in and then bounce right back up. It's pretty crazy, the 61.50 line. A little volatility here. We went down the open right after the open. This is 9:35. Found yesterday's close line, which is pretty much 61.80. Then we took off right here, back up. And then this candle is a massive candle. You broke through 63. So if you're playing on this, a move like this, you're playing 62. Looking for a line right here would be your stop, like 61.50 or maybe even closer. Depends how you play it. So this goes up. Momentum's taking off. This is like a penny stock, just ripping. Here's a 66, a high of 66.43. Then you had to move down and try to come back up. Right here was a little bit of a tougher move. And then this fade right here, cross reversal, 65. Then we take off again. Look at that. All the way to 67.29, 30. Another sideways action move here. Now, probably people, if they're still playing this, all day, the 66.50 line, go to here. You probably didn't make much here because then it starts to fade. You probably get stopped out. Maybe it's a very small gain. But here's the move again, late day. So 67, you see you start to drop 66.50 all the way down to a hanging cross. So short, sell. It's like giving you the answers. Like on some of these moves, especially ETFs and stocks. Penny stocks are harder, but on these ETFs, they're all algorithms, and yeah, they're playing the lines. And this goes down. You have massive wash down. What do you see here? Cross the bottom of a pattern. That's a reversal, and it goes right up. But when they get in, get out on these. It's amazing. So really, you have like pre-market one, maybe two moves. This is three, maybe four here, but we'll call this four and then five. So legit five moves, and you could have made like a ton of money. Not even with a huge trading account. You don't need a big trading account. If you can get over pattern day trading 25,000, you want to get to about 35,000, give you a cushion. If you can only trade like a few days a week. Now it clears like one day the cash. So you can just wait for some big moves here, get in at certain tops and bottoms. So this was amazing. You see the 10-minute here, right here, go up. Look at this. Then you're at 1320 EMAs right here. Never was a sell this whole way till right here, the big curve. When you start to see the curve, the crossover, then you get to watch. All right, the daily chart in this. So this was a rising wedge. Put these candles up now. Yeah, so all these plays are, they're like wedges, and sometimes you get like falling wedge, rising wedge are the main patterns, ascending triangle, different type of patterns, but the main patterns are the wedges that happens up, a lot. You can see back here, all these wedges. So on this, went down sideways, go back up. Look at that big candle. And then we touched the 13 EMA. So everyone thought we're going down here. That's why I said, I think in my last video, I said, watch, let it confirm. Is this a 1 day event? Or are we going to go down a little further? Proved just to be a 1 day. Again, this is a little 3 day, but this candle was huge. Profit taking. We're still rising up here. If you draw these lines, draw it here, draw it up here. We are getting, see, wider to smaller from here to here. So, but it's still, chugging on up. Look at the quarterly. The quarterly here, stochastic, straight up over the red line. It's at 72 now, getting overbought. Still think there's more room to run. That's why it's still possible to get to 100. It's probably going to get to, at least 75 here. That was back in 21, 22. That's a quarterly. Monthly chart, you have the low here and stochastics here. We're getting higher, higher. So it's purely just straight up now. Look at all these green candles. Yeah, these are massively great to trade though. As you see the big run up. So the way I trade these too, ever since you had to move down here, see, this was months. This was a few months. When you have a straight up move and you're just, all these moves down are dip buys. You dip buy, you can swing trade, however you want to play it. But you know the market and everything's just going up. So it's very easy to look at when they try to push it down. Yeah, it's just going to bounce right back up now. That's just how it's been. And, you know, when the market goes down, something like this, when you start to get a downtrend, you're playing that downtrend. It reverses until a change, a direction. So it's not that complicated once you understand all this in charts. But so amazing day. And this could have been a killer day. That's why it's not just penny stocks. I've gotten away from it right now. They're not hot. Unless you're shorting, you got to get locates. I don't like to do that. Like some of the shorts, they said locates, like the fees are like hundreds of dollars. Like, and they're too wild, the moves. It's like I'd rather have easier moves right now. Now they come back strong, penny stocks, and it's like you're getting great longs or consistency. Stuff's moving like 500% all the time, like good moves. That might be different, but the market has shifted to all tech, semiconductors, and big volatility moves on these plays. So yeah, that's where I'm looking right now. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Helps the algos. Mike J Trades on X. Mike Cayman Trades on TikTok and Instagram. And that's it for now. Peace.